How are you all? So today we are going to start our new chapter, 7th chapter, Human Settlement. We can see that from the earlier time onwards, you learn in your smaller classes also the settlement, human settlement. Before humans were all, man were wandering here and there by search of food and food. Okay, and when they started the animal husbandry and all, they were moving along with their animals by searching the water. But when they started agriculture, then they started settling on streams. Mainly the humans started their settlement in the river valleys. They started their human settlement in the Indus River Valley, or you learn about Indus River Valley system in the earlier times. And that settlement is for the development of the like cities. First it is formed into the villages, then later towns or cities to go on. Same as you can see, the humans are settled, or human beings started to settle in different places. What more facilities are there? Examples like cities or towns. We can see that in that region, a lot of opportunities or facilities are there. So humans started to settle there. And afterwards, we can see road facilities are there, near water tanks, water facilities are there, or near the lake. In forest, we can see people are living, tribal people are living there, and near the mountainous region, or in the hill area, also we can see the people are living. So then, if you are observing these different types of settlements, or people where they are living, or they construct their home, and where they are living, we can see that some areas it is concentrated more. Some regions, houses we can see different nations far away. Houses are one house is one place, and afterwards some distance. After some distance we can see some other places. Lot of distances we can see. We can see that people or the houses are located just near to the river in the line manner. Okay, so according to its settlement, or according to the pattern, the human settlements are divided into 4 types. One, nuclear settlement. Second one, linear settlement. Third one, rapid settlement. And the last one is dispersed settlement or scattered settlement. Okay, now what are these 4 types of settlement? First one I told you, nuclear settlement. Example, in cities or in urban areas where all facilities are there, people are settled or concentrated in that region. Okay, they are settled according to their needs. And the second one, linear settlement. Like line, we can see like houses are constructed in the line manner. Okay, just along the river bank, or where road facilities are there, or railways are there. Example for that. And radial settlement, you know that like a circular manner, near the lake or near the water tank. These are the examples for radial settlement. And the last one, dispersed or scattered settlement. Scattered settlement or dispersed. Forest region or desert areas, hilly regions and all, we can see this type of settlement. Okay, and in your textbook, some patterns or the figures are given. You have to identify and why people are concentrated there. That we are going to learn. So in this chapter, we are going to learn the different human settlements in India and Brazil. We are going to compare. So we can study the figures what is given in your textbook.
So children, you can see the pictures what is given in your textbook. Examples of settlement patterns in India. So here it is given 2 types of 2 pictures. That means each picture shows the 2 different types of human settlement what is prevalent in India. So here some of the questions are given. Study the 2 types of settlement patterns in India given in figure 7.1a and figure 7.1b. First question, identify the type of settlements. If we are observing the first type of settlement, that means the figure 7.1a, we can see that the settlement which is concentrated into one particular area. So we can understand, I already explained that all. That means the houses or the settlements we can see which is concentrated in one particular place. So it is an example for nucleated settlement. And the second type, that means figure 7.1b, we can understand there we can see like a line way the settlements we can see in the linear manner. So it is an example for the linear settlement. And the second question, which one is a nucleated settlement? The first one, it is a nucleated settlement, that means figure 7.1a. And why? I already explained that settlements are concentrated into one particular place. So it is an example for the nucleated settlement. And the third question, can you guess in which regions are these settlements located in India? That means the nucleated settlements we can see where all the facilities are there, like availability of the water and the development industries, urbanization, cities, and same manner moderate type of climate and slope of the land, everything in which all areas we can see this particular factors in that regions we can see the nucleated settlements. Example, in our India we can see that all in the Narmada Valley, paddy lands in Bihar, UP, Vindhya Plateau, and several other cultivated parts of India we can see the nucleated type of settlements. And we can see the dispersed settlements we can see in our India, like tribal parts covering central parts of India, eastern and southern Rajasthan, Himalayan slopes and land with the dissected and uneven topography. That means like hilly regions, mountainous regions, these type of places, or forest lands. So in these type of regions we can see the dispersed settlements or scattered settlements. Now here you can see the examples of settlement patterns in Brazil. Figure 7.2a, the lowlands of Amazon River, and figure 7.2b, it is Sao Paulo. So we have to identify the patterns, settlement patterns in Brazil. So if you are observing the first one, it is the lowlands of Amazon River. It is already mentioned there. So which type of pattern or which pattern it is given? It is an example for dispersed or scattered settlements we can see. And in the second one, figure 7.2b, it is an example for the nucleated settlement. And what is the reason for this? If you are observing the figure 7.2a, the lowlands of Amazon River, it is scattered or dispersed settlements we can see here because of the settlements, we can see the facilities are very less there, and the topography is also a rugged one. So we can see the dispersed or scattered settlements are shown in this Amazon River basin. We already learned these all points, like transportation facility, communication facilities are very lack, or it is very less in these regions. And if you are observing the Sao Paulo, it is a nucleated one. The reason we already learned, the availability of the facility, that means lot of facilities are available in the Sao Paulo, and the soil is rich, fertile, and it is suitable for the production of coffee. And the same manner natural minerals are also there, or resources, mineral resources are also there in Sao Paulo. And good transport system, we can see all the types of transport systems such as roadways, transport, airways, waterways. These all are all facilities, all types of transport system also we can see in Sao Paulo. And so it makes like a nucleated settlement in Sao Paulo, and same manner we learned that Sao Paulo is located in the southeast part of Brazil, and here we can see the densely populated area. It is a densely populated area, and lot of developments are also here. So before the Europeans settled in Brazil in the coastal areas, and now the settlements have developed and are densely populated, especially if we are considering the southeast part of Brazil. We already learnt about that in the previous chapter. In that we learnt Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo are the examples of the famous cities or densely populated cities, because of its all the facilities are available. A lot of industries and trade are also flourished in this region. So here we can see it is a nucleated settlement. The people are settled according to their needs in this particular region. If you are moving to the central part of Brazil, the settlements are very less. We have already learned that there is thick dense rainforest, and the climate is not fit for the settlement, and limitations on use and exploitation of natural resources. That means natural resources are there, it is not able to fully utilize because of the inaccessibility into that particular region. Same manner, poor transportation are also the reasons in the central part of Brazil, and in the northeastern part of Brazil there is very less population, or the density we can see there all the scattered or dispersed settlements we can see in the Brazil. So children, you can see one activity which is given in your textbook page number 46. You have to complete the activity. Like the first column, it is given the amenity or the facilities, and the second one available in villages and available in cities. So if you are considering the first one, petrol pump, we can see in the cities, and the theater we can see it is available in the cities. Weekly market available in villages. Primary health center in both we can see. Police outpost we can see in the cities. Art gallery we can see in the cities. Gram Panchayat we can see in the villages. Agricultural produce market committee we can see in the cities. Primary schools we can see both city and villages. Same as senior school also we can see both village and cities. Colleges we can see in the cities, and shops we can see both village and cities. Multi-specialty hospital we can see in the cities. Then metro station we can see in the cities, and the bus station both, and university in the cities.
So I hope all of you understood. So learn well.